Okay, for question 3, we've got this scenario. So a block of mass 25 kilograms is at rest on the rough horizontal floor. So rest means we have no acceleration. Rough horizontal floor means we have friction going in the opposite direction. The coefficient of friction between the block and the floor is 0.4, so mu is 0.4. And a force of F is pulling the block at an angle of 20 degrees to the horizontal. The block's at the point of sliding, so that's just another way of saying that it's limiting equilibrium. So friction is at its maximum. So that means one equation we're going to use is friction equals mu r. And we need to find F. Well, the only thing we can do is, first of all, put on any forces we need. So reaction force is always perpendicular to the surface, and the weight is always vertically down. And then we're going to resolve it, so we're going to use F equals ma in two different directions, two different perpendicular directions. So it makes sense to do horizontal and vertical. So the only force that's not in those directions is F. So that's when we split it up to a horizontal bit and a vertical bit. Well, this vertical bit is opposite the angle, so that means we use sine, so F sine 20, and this one here is adjacent to the angle, so it's F cos 20. Then the only thing we want to do now is just use F equals ma in both those directions. So I use F equals ma vertically. Well, I'll get R plus, this is going up as well, F sine 20 equals 25G. And I guess I could rearrange that to get R equals 25G minus F sine 20. I could use F equals ma going horizontally. And the reason I could do this is because I could do up plus down would equal 0 because it is 0. So I'm just taking down to the side. Remember, I do up equals down if there's no acceleration. Similarly here, look, there's no acceleration, so I can do right equals left, that balance, the force of the balance. So going this way, I've got F cos 20 equals friction. Yes, I've got two equations, and now I can use my friction one to hopefully find out what F is. So my friction is F cos 20, and that equals 0.4 times my R. So I'm running out of room, which is 25G, take away F sine 20. Okay, well, I can expand it. I'm going to write it of course here. So F cos 20 equals 25 times 9.8 times 0.4. So 98, take away 0.4 F sine 20. Get all the F's on one side. So F cos 20 plus 0.4 F sine 20 equals 98. Factorize out the F. And then divide by my factor. Just type that in your calculator and let's see what we get. We should get 91.0357. But as we use G's 9.8, we need two significant figures, so 91 newtons.